Hello, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes. Let me ask you, what if a single teaspoon in your morning tea could change your energy, your hormones, and even your confidence in ways so noticeable your partner starts asking what got into you? Today, I'll share 3 powerful 1 teaspoon additions you can stir into your tea, each targeting vitality, resilience, and metabolism. These aren't gimmicks. They're backed by centuries of tradition and modern science. The problem? Most men over 50 start the day in a hormonal deficit. Cortisol spikes too high, testosterone feels flat, metabolism is sluggish. Coffee gives a jolt but crashes later, while plain tea hydrates but does little more. What your body really needs is intentional fuel. Something to calm stress, ignite metabolism, and support testosterone. That's where these 1 teaspoon additions come in. Maca root. If your main goal is hormonal drive and libido, maca root is your ally. Nicknamed Peruvian ginseng, maca supports the brain's stress hormone axis, helping your body naturally regulate testosterone. It doesn't supply hormones, it optimizes your own. Within a week or 2, most men notice more energy, clearer focus, and yes, a stronger spark of desire. Use gelatinized maca, easier to digest, and stir 1 teaspoon into warm tea. It has a subtle, nutty flavor that blends well. This is the ingredient that often gets partners asking, "What's gotten into you lately?" Ashwagandha. If stress and poor sleep are your main struggles, reach for ashwagandha. Used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, this adaptogen calms the nervous system and reduces cortisol. Less cortisol means more room for testosterone to function. Think of it as a shock absorber for your body's stress response. A teaspoon each morning in strong tea, chai or ginger blends work best, creates resilience. Men report feeling calmer under pressure, sharper mentally, and more balanced throughout the day. Over time, this steady calm helps preserve testosterone and rebuild stamina. Cinnamon. If your main frustration is energy crashes, sugar cravings, and creeping belly fat, Ceylon cinnamon is your tool. Unlike common cassia cinnamon, Ceylon is safe for daily use and improves insulin sensitivity. That means steadier blood sugar, less fat storage, and more stable energy. 1 teaspoon in your tea keeps energy smooth all day, cuts cravings, and even supports fat loss. Many men notice fewer crashes and more stamina, physically and mentally. It tastes fantastic, especially in black tea, chai, or lemon tea. Why it works? The secret isn't just in the ingredients, it's in the ritual. By adding a single teaspoon with intention, you anchor your day in vitality before the chaos begins. This habit reinforces control, discipline, and self-care, small daily actions that compound into lasting health. Gentlemen, here's your action plan. If stress is draining you, try ashwagandha. If your energy feels flat and your drive is fading, use maca. If weight and energy crashes are your battles, stir in Ceylon cinnamon. Try 1 for 3 weeks and watch how your energy, mood, and confidence shift. And don't be surprised if your partner notices before you do. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs a spark.